With the debate in the 1984 riots reignited, the focus is on how Congress leader Sajjan Kumar was acquitted in a major riots case in the Delhi-Kant area, where he was accused of inciting a mob that led to violence. A key factor in his acquittal was the testimony of a police officer from the local police station, who said Sajjan never visited Delhi-Kant. But NDTV accessed the testimony of the constable and the station records of the police station to find what appears to be a conspiracy of silence, even as hundreds were killed.
Between 1st and 2nd November 1984, on the worst days of violence, three independent witnesses from Rajnagar in the Delhi-Kant area who saw their family members being murdered claimed to have seen Sajjan Kumar make inflammatory speeches.
वो कहने लगा कि मैंने जो काम दिया ठीक कर रहे हो, तो इतनी कहते हुए हमारी गली की तरफ को चला गया सीधा। और जब वहाँ से वापस आ रहा है और उनको ये डांट रहा था कि तुमने तो काम नहीं किया, ये ठेकेदारों का घर तो वैसे ही पड़ा है, और वो ठेकेदार कहाँ है?
ठेकेदार मतलब सरदारों की बात?
हमारे घर को, क्योंकि हम ठेकेदार थे ना जी।
अच्छा।
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर थे हम। अच्छा। तो कहता है उनको वो कहाँ है अभी? तो बीच में एक आदमी बोला कहता कि उनको तो हिंदू ही बचा रहे हैं यहाँ, क्योंकि किसी के घर में। तो इसने कहा कि जो बचा रहा है उसको घर भी जला दो। उसके बाद इन्होंने फिर हमारे घर पे अटैक किया, हमारे घर को पूरे को आग लगा दी।
These statements became the basis of a CBI charge sheet against Sajjan, the agency claimed their strongest in the 84 riots. And yet, in a verdict that sparked anger, the court chose to acquit Sajjan Kumar, finding the testimonies unreliable. Instead, the court relied on statements made by police constable from the Delhi-Kant police station that he never saw Sajjan Kumar. But this is the same constable who says that when he was on patrolling duty, he did not notice any burnt house or dead body. 340 were killed in just 3 days in the area under the Delhi-Kant police station. And yet the station diaries accessed by NDTV of the 1st and 2nd of November shows no incidents being recorded. Shockingly, one of the only entries about rioting targets the Sikhs, saying in Palam colony, Sikhs are rioting. There is no more chilling evidence of police complicity than the diaries of the Delhi-Kant police station under which Rajnagar falls.
Your contention was, the CBI's contention was that the police had doctored
Not
its
only
own
that,
records.
CBI case on affidavit is that the investigations were tailored and the prosecutions were also false prosecutions.
In Delhi-Kant area, the court has already given the verdict. The entire evidence has been scrutinized. Judicious mind has been applied. And he was not named. His name came subsequently in Nanavati Commission. Prior to that, his name did not figure when the earlier Ranganath Commission was there.
Sajjan Kumar's acquittal has been challenged in the High Court, but those who fought a long legal battle have little faith.
उम्मीद रखते हैं कि अब इंसाफ दोबारा अब सीबीआई हाई कोर्ट पे इसको चैलेंज करने के लिए गई है कि आपको लगता है कि इंसाफ मिलेगा?
मुश्किल है, लगे रहेंगे। उम्मीद नहीं है कि ये इंसाफ दे सकेंगे हमें। उम्मीद नहीं है। यहाँ उम्मीद थी, जैसे केस चला, सच्चाई सुनी इन्होंने, सीबीआई ने भी सच्चे मन से काम किया, मगर कुछ नहीं।
अब कोई नहीं है यहाँ पर।
With Neha Masi and camera person Xavier, Srinivasan Jain for NDTV.
वो बचे हैं।